In this video, I will show you how to fix Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V not working in your Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. How to solve and how to fix keyboard issue in this video. We will now that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. Right click here, start button, and click here settings. And after that guys, click here accessibility option and find here keyboard option here in this list. Now click here. If guys this option is enabled, of these three option off, these option should be off. Now close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here this PC and right click on it and click here show more option. Click here manage and click here device manager option and find here keyboard. Okay, in this list you can see here there are keyboard option. Now select this driver and click here update driver and click here search automatically. Now close this window. Now again right click on it and click here update driver and browse my computer. Let me check this option and select your driver PS-2 keyboard and your keyboard driver will be updated here. Now restart your PC. After restart, open Windows Explorer and click here this PC, right click on it and click here show more option and after that guys click here manage option. Okay, and again select here device manager and click here keyboard. Now select this driver, right click on it and click here uninstall device. Okay, click on it and uninstall it and click here restart. Okay, so now we are not restart. Okay, you can see here there are no keyboard driver. After uninstall, restart your PC. So guys, right click here start button and right click on it and click here restart option. Now we are going for next method. Now again open device manager, show more option, click here manage. So guys, you can see here under device option find keyboard, expand it and your keyboard driver will be reinstalled here. Okay, you can see here. Now close this window, close this window. So guys, after that click here right click on start button and click here setting and click here Windows update. Okay, your Windows update should be up to date here. Okay, install all update on your Windows. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.